Toss them, yeah. So this is our next one, 2009 Subaru STI. It's got the famous cracked firewall for the clutch pedal. The clutch pedal assembly is also cracked, so we're doing a firewall re-weld. We take the whole dash out, instrument cluster out, drop the steering column, weld the dash, and we're also going to replace the pedal assembly. So let's get to ripping the dash out. Cut to music. Or the image of Sonic where he's sitting there tapping his toes, waiting for you to come back.
I was hoping the fittings that they gave you, the adapter fittings.
Yeah.
I was hoping one of the fittings would be the same as the factory rad temp sensor.
It's not?
Neither are. Stop to tap it up the hose.
Okay, so this should come straight out your way.